Hi, my name is Emily Martin, and I go to the University of Rhode Island, and I'm studying animal science. And I was recommended Genio Notes. It's one of my accommodations that I can use, and in class, it's super helpful. If I'm dozing off and not really paying attention, I can go back and it writes out the whole lecture of what the professor said after recording it. And also, something that is very helpful to me is when I'm writing down notes, I may block out the professor, and they may say something important that wasn't on the slides, so I can go back and always listen to that. But it does help me when I get distracted, and I can always go back and read all my notes and listen to the recording. So that is something that's really helpful for me, and I would recommend it to anyone that has similar struggles to me. So yeah. So I talked about this a little bit before, but some things that it helps me with is before I was using Genio Notes, I was using one notebook for all of my classes, and it was very hard for me to find all the stuff for that one class and go back and study it. But with Genio Notes, they you can put the different lectures in different groups, so I can just press on that group, and if I'm going to study for an exam, then I can go to that group and use the notes that I put in there. It has helped me get better grades on my exam because I can go back and use it to study. And yeah,